What's up, everybody? It's Stingray back here again, chilling with my homes G-Rat. Hello. And G-Eagle.
How's everybody?
And we just got the number to Epcot's Payphone, and we're gonna give him a call.
I look like a bug.
What you eating?
Watermelon.
Nobody home.
This one. They're all busy. The Olympics are going on, so nobody's answering. They're all eating fish and chips.
It's in England, those boots.
You kidding? What can I do?
We can all just wear sunglasses. These guy.
Is this a recording?
It could be if you want it to be.
This is funny, oh my gosh.
They were all like Nigel Thornberry, like.
That human there or is this a machine? It's a machine, right?
They're human. Remember when I drank that whole gallon of milk?
Ugh.
Get it.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm doing really good. How are you?
Okay.
Okay, here. I'm gonna pass the phone over to my friend, and you can explain it all to her. You think that it was today?
What?
What was that?
Hello?
Hello. Hi, and welcome to Walt Disney World's Princess Hotline. Please listen to the following options and choose which. They hung up. All right, here we go. But you're cut off.
You put him in there. For
Here
all
we go.
the-
Shh. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
God!
Hello?
Hello?
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Sorry? Repeat, please.
Who?
¿Cómo está?
Yeah, alright.
When they answer, I'm coming running.
Where you go, Grandma Rap? Hello.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Who is this?
I don't know. It's Jose Jimenez.
Okay, where are we calling?
You're calling the UK.
UK? How's the Olympics?
Dude, the Olympics are awesome. Fun. Does this phone randomly ring or what?
It does randomly ring in. You are a winner today. You have been nominated by your friend to be on American Idol.
Okay then. This isn't a scam. You're not kidding me, right?
Oh, we're not kidding you. Grandma Rap's all about that. Are you kidding me?
Everybody, we're going to Disney World. Alright, we gotta go.
Enjoy your stay.
Enjoy it. Bye-bye.
Why do we all have sunglasses on in the house?
I don't know. Yeah.
Wiggle it just a little bit.